everyone, welcome back to the quick tech tutorial. Today for this video of quick tech I will be showing you how you can log in into the IMO account of yours in the IMO app. So to begin the process, open the IMO application first. Once you open the application, you are at the home page. Here on the home page, you will need to first provide the country and the country code. So tap on the country drop down menu, and from there you need to choose the country or the place of your origin, and then you will need to provide the phone number. Type in the phone number and then tap on tick mark. Is this correct number? Tap on OK. And just with that, you will be logged in into the IMO account of yours right away. It's a very simple process. You will just need to provide the phone number correctly. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the quick tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.